One last game to do it. This is the last one. Are you ready? Ready? Then let's play. Here we go. Oh, bro. I'm so excited. What is the event? Here it is. Welcome to Crown Showdown, where one player will rule the day. And you know what to say, people. And the others will rule it. Yes, that's right. But first, you know what we're gonna do. BBs. Check the rules. That's right, Baby Ranger. It's time to read the rules. Here we go. Let's start with you, Baby Ranger. In Crown Showdown, you'll race to win a set of number of minigames before your competitors do it first. Next, what type minigames? Up to you. Next, and row or select random to leave it a chance. Well, I know what we're gonna do. Here it is. 4-player, 5 wins, 2 versus 2. I wonder whom I can team up with. Of course, I really wish I could team up with either of these 3, but maybe I feel like I want to team up with... Is it okay if I were to team up with Kuya James? And bro, well, it's up to you. If you want to team up with me, then we can be teammates together. Yeah, sure, Kuya James, if that can be so. Or maybe I would rather team up with Jeremy Patrick Ong. Oh, yeah. If you want to team up with me, we're like good brothers. BB, you play with Lolong. Yay. I like that as well. Or maybe I might team up with 70 Di Maranan from Batangiles. Or Jillian Ward. Or AZ Martinez. Or Charlie. Or Keisha. Or Liana. Or... Don't team up with me. I hate you. Fuck. Okay, fine. I made my decision. I'll team up with Aya Harley. Okay, everybody, let's get this game started. For this battle, you'll split into 2 teams. Let's call them the red team and the blue team. So who's in the blue team? Oh yeah, look, we're in the blue team. BB, blue team. That's right, baby Ju. We are in the blue team together with Kuya Ken-chan, Rue Madrid, Mix and Felix, Michael Sager, Alan Ansai. So yeah, if you can see though, we're on the blue team. Yeah, look at us waving at the audience. Hello. Yeah, that's so exciting, isn't it? Now. Exciting? Cut that out. This is already going much too exciting. Don't mind that, Uncle Nitnuts. Anyway, for the red team, for the red team we have Sophia, Kaylani, Kaylea, Keisha, Rain, Katana, AZ Martinez, Lazy Gonzalez, Ella Nimpa, Bianca, who else? Joanna, Sheena, Gwen, Ira, and they're on the red team. Baby Daisy! Let's see if we can win! Oh yeah, I can't wait to see Rappy's come out. Yeah! Hee-hoo! Don Dale, set. Now that you know the rules, you know what to say, people! One Crown Showdown coming up! Psst, cut it. Crown goes to the biggest head. Wherever gets 5 fits first. Trolling, absolutely! So without any further jibber jabber, let's kick off this Crown Showdown! And now for our first minigame, let's see if you Crown competitors be royal pains out there. Spin the wheel! Okay, mga paragots, anong na kayong first minigame namin? Dito na sa madilim. Lolong, ang tapang mo. Sana dapat sabatuin mo yung mga babae na yan. Good bro na tayo. Sana manalo kami. Ewan ko na sa'yo, Kailin Alcantara. O Kylie, o whoever. Utay mo talaga, Zeppelin, mamatay ka na. Ang tado. Oy, Lolong. nako, pinasay mo yung oras ko doon. Pero good news anyway, at least, Real Madrid is the winner! Yay!
Yeah! Oh, yeah! Yay! Baby win! Oh, yeah! We win! Baby Luigi win! Yahoo!
That's good, everybody! Next game, everybody!
Spin the wheel! Just hope we win this time.
This is so easy. Matutulog na ako. Mga bobo kayo. Utay mo talaga. Uy, ano ba yan? Si Kuya Paul. Bilis naman talaga yun. Pero di ba alam, manalabarin ako ha. Saan mo yan? Yan! Yun! Tapos! Galing namin no, bro? Swape! Tapang! Yay! We did it again, Michael Sager! Too bad for that AC Martinez. She'll never win this time. But she will try the next time. On to the next game, or AC Bonifacio. On to the next game, everybody. Spin the wheel! Ay, madali lang yan. That's so easy.
Hello? Hello? Can you make the cake exactly as what I made? Thank you.
Yan! Tapos! Yes!
Good job. Yay! Baby. Baby can't wait to eat the cake. Yay!
And we did it again, bros! What can you say now?
Go fuck yourself! Putay ka mo!
Utay mo talaga, Riz! Ewan ko na sa'yo, dalawa pa tayo basta ba nanalo? Next game!
Sana panalo ako!
Wow! We'll make the game a bit harder so that Rafi will lose. Ano na kaya? Mabilis ang talaga yung laro na to. Puro pintura, pintura, pintura. Lahat kailangan dapat bughaw. Tandaan mo talaga, Real Madrid, bughaw tayo, hindi tayo babaero. Hindi tayo kay Kuya Steve, yung tayo talaga yung babaero na yan. Let's go! Hoy, kailangan dapat bughaw yan, ha? Hoy, Lolo, move ka na, mga bobo ka. Ewan ko sa'yo. Mitch! Ano ba yan? Puro pink na yan dapat. Asul dapat, di ba? Hindi pwede mga babies ko maging pink. Ano sa tingin mo, Baby Chu? Kailangan ba dapat pink yung mga babies na yan? Hindi, di ba? Kailangan dapat asul. Di sila babae. Lalaki sila. Unless mag-transgender sila, walang kwenta, mga bobo kayo. Kaya dapat pinarson kita na yung Lord Jesus dahil ginawang babae mga lalaki. Tayo mo talaga. Yun! Nanalo na ako.
How do you like that? BB. Correct. The Goombas are supposed to be blue. No! They're pink! Pink! Because they're girls!
Putay mo talaga. Sama mo dito. Walang alam. Parang gaw yung utak mo. Squatter. Ito na kaya. Announcement na tayo.
Whoop, whoop. BB. Crown alert. We only need one more to win. Yay! Yaha! No, that's unfair! there! I wanna win this game!
Spin the wheels! Ano naman maiksi na talaga yung laro na yun? Ay, salamat! Mag-turn lang tayo. Sana dapat kuha tayo lahat yung bula. Papadalo ka na kami. Ay, nako, AZ Martinez, wala kang kwenta. Kahit yung baby mo na parang shopehan. O biyak ka umali. Maluwan ko na sa'yo. Hoy, bangga na kayo! Tagtalo kayo! Kama, bilisan mo! Yun!
Oh yeah! Luigi win! Yeah!
That's what I like! And now, it's time to celebrate!
Ay nako, putay ka talaga si Rafi at saka si Guru. Panalo!
Di ba niya na Sky Chua, may balak na kasi sa sunod. Puntahan niya sa Belgaros. Eto na guys! Now that wraps up Crowd Showdown! And this showdown's winner... All hail the blue team! Give it up for... Yaha! The Mario Man! Rafi Chan and...
Yay! Baby Luigi! Baby win! Yay! Thank you! Oh yeah, Luigi win!
Thank you! That's great, guys!
Yay! That was fun! Let's do it again! Yeah! Fine! Do it one more time! This time I'll win!
Fine! That is, of course, if you'll be on my side in the next game.
Can we do it now?
Nope! It's already late! And that's it for today.
Putay mo talaga!
Ano ba kayo, girls? AZ Martinez? Grabe naman kayo. You're so harsh to me. Ito na yung video na to, ha? Kung gusto mo makita yung video ulit kung saan, sana dapat mag-like na to. Para watch all this buwan ko tayo ng video na yan. Para mag-best wag na ako. Papalalaro ko ako. If this video gets to 5 likes or 10 likes, pwede tayo gawin na tayo ng video ulit. Para makita malalaman namin kung si AZ Martinez ay yung panalo.
Tama! Yeah, I don't know why my little sister gets mad every time she wins.
Wow! How about you continue the game at my warp orbit? There's lots of extraneous excitement going on there. Not now, Duterte. It's already late. And don't forget to...
BB, like and subscribe to the channel. Yay!
And that's it for today's video, guys. Leave a like if you want to see more videos like this.
Yeah, leave a like. I want to see more.
Wow! And for Rafi to beat me as well. That's it for today's video, guys. Bye! Wow! If I were to give you one more... Putay mo talaga, Duterte! Wala kang kwenta. Sana dapat namatay ka na, Duterte. Wow! Puta! Ina mo. Mulis ka na dyan, buwis!